Hello students, in this video we will solve question 7th of exercise 3.2. The statement of question 7, draw the graph of equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and the 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangle region. Firstly, in first two lines, firstly we draw the graph of these equations. The given equations x minus y plus 1 equal 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. For plotting the graph, we find the solutions. So taking first equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Draw a table. Write down here x and y. Now, for first equation x minus y plus 1, we have find the values of x and y which satisfy these equations. Now, for x equal to 0, if we substitute x equal to 0 in this equation, then put x equal to 0, 0 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 when goes to right hand side, it sign changes, it become minus, minus cancels minus, then y is equal to 1. Means when x is 0, y is 1. Write down in the table x is 0, y is 1. Again find second solution. Now substitute the value of y 0. Now substitute the value of y 0 in given equation x minus, now y plus 1 equal to 0. Now y is equal to 0. Put the value of y is 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1. Now we find two solutions. First is when x is 0, y is 1. Now in second case, y is 0, x, our value of x is minus 1. Now similarly, find the solution of second equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. For this, make a table for writing the values of x and y. Now similarly, substitute the value of x as 0. Firstly, if we suppose x is 0, then put the value of x is 0 in this equation. X is 0 plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now find the value of y. All term become 0. So 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Then y is equal to 12 upon 2. Our value is 6. If x is 0, y is 6. Write down the value of in the table. If x is 0, y is 6. Now again find the second solution. Now substitute the value of y is 0. Now substitute the value of y is 0 in given equation. Now 3x plus 2, put 0 in place of y. Now find the value of x. 2 into 0, 2. 2 into 0, 0, sorry. All this becomes 0. So our 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Then 3x equal to 12. X equal to 12 upon 3. Our answer is 4. Now we find another value. If y is 0, then x is 4. Write down in table. If y is 0, then value of x is 4. Now we find the two solutions of both equations. Now with the help of these solutions, we plot the graph. Now we plot the graphs of both equations. First equation, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. The table solution of this equation is if x is 0, y is 1, and if x is minus 1, y is 0. First we plot these coordinates on the graph paper. Now first x is 0, y is 1. Read that coordinate at 0, 1. Second is minus 1, 0. Always taking first coordinate as a coordinate of x, then y. Now first is x is 0. X is 0 means this point. Now y is 1. 1 we go upward, and this is the point of y. We reach here. Our point is 0, 1. Now second is y. X is minus 1, y is 0. X is minus 1 and y 0. Y 0 means it lies on x-axis point. Minus 1, 0. Now draw the line, straight line from these points. Like that. Write down the equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Similarly, now for second equation, write the coordinates 4, 0 and 0, 6. Now taking values on the graph paper, x is 4. This is the x-axis, so 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. X is 4. Then y is 0 means point lie on x-axis. This is our point where x is 4, y is 0. Now second point is 0, 6. X is 0 means a point lie on y-axis. Y is 6. 0, x is 0, y is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our coordinate where x is 0, y is 6. Now join these coordinates with the help of a scale. Like that, we draw a line from these coordinates. Write down the equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Now in the question we have asked, in the questions, firstly we are asked about to draw the firstly graph of these equations, then find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines. Now graph of these equations is this. The triangle is this. This is a triangle formed with the help of these lines with x-axis. With x-axis, this is our triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. Second question is also done. Now the third part is shade the triangle region, and we have find the coordinates of this triangle. The triangle has three coordinates. Write the A, name B and C. Now find the coordinate of A. For coordinate of A, we draw a parallel line where both lines intersect. Now like that. Draw a dotted line. It cuts y-axis at a 3 point, and similarly draw a dotted line on x-axis. We see that it cuts at x-axis at point 2. So here coordinate of A is x is 2, y is 3. It cuts x-axis at a point 2 and y-axis at a point 3. So coordinate of A is 2 and 3. Now at the B point coordinate is minus 1 or 0. At C point coordinate is 4 or 0. So the coordinate of triangle ABC is 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 0. Thank you.